Guys, it's the OJ Brothers here, and today we're going to be doing a Pacybits video. It's only me today, and because Jack's still asleep, and I'm going to be doing a massive pack opening. So let's just get straight into it, starting off with the special packs. Come on, you need to give us something good. Oh, that's so bad. No. Come on. Special packs, please. Oh my gosh. We're hoping for like icons, because they're like the best thing you can get mostly out of these that are still in the game now. I really want their new ones to watch Griezmann as well. But nothing out of special packs. They're not the best packs in the game, like by far. But I reckon versus super packs are probably the best. Guys, sorry if you hear something when I do this, when I do that. Sorry if you can hear something. It's just because my phone's vibrating when I click it. Right, onto the versus super packs. We had a bit of a mare with these last time, so let's hope that they're alright now. There we go. Icon, let's go. Be something good. Come on. Good nation. Oh. 89 skulls, great. Barefoot champs. Okay. Guys, and I forgot to tell you, in between this video and the last one, I packed 95 Maradona. The best card in the game. It was insane. Another icon. See what I mean, guys? These packs are really good usually. It's just I don't really get the luck. Oh, I really want that new 94 Zidane. Come on. 94. I have 3 duplicates of him. That's so annoying. Right, next pack. 1 foot champs. No walkout. Oh, and it's William Jose. Great. And it's back with the inform Zapata. Now let's go on to the premium picks. Come on, give us like an icon. I don't care whether it's 85 rated or something. But, you know, I just want an icon, please. A new icon. No voice. Oh, yes! Those cards are so difficult to pack. Let's go. And guys, I'm also going to be opening some packs with my tokens. Yes! Guys, let me just quickly do something. Look. Aubameyang. I needed Aubameyang to go there. Then I just need to, look. Guys, we've just completed Aubameyang on camera. Let's go. Look. You'll see what I mean. Hold on. I need like a Brazil. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. We've just completed Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's, whatever these cards are. I haven't got one of these yet, so this is quite cool for me. What do we get? Oh, what? I think he's 89, I believe. Please be 89. Yes, come on, guys. So we just completed his Aubameyang's EPL Player of the Month. So that's really good, guys. Oh, Decore and Aubameyang again. You know, just take another Aubameyang. And now we're going to be opening some packs with my tokens, some goalie packs. Give me a walkout. I only need Ronaldo. Please give me Ronaldo. Ronaldo, as the Americans call it. Come on. Oh. I'm not even getting confetti players. Look, these packs. What are these? Oh, it's a walkout. Come on. Be Portugal. Oh, it's Godin. No. That's so bad. We're getting some really bad cards. I mean, the only walkout is a Godin, but you know, it was good. It was close. Guys, sorry if there's a bit of a noise in a minute where the door's opening because my dad's about to come in because it's 7:47 in the morning. My dad's about to come in, and yeah. Be a walkout. No. Walkout, come on guys, come on. Be Ronaldo, be Ronaldo. It's Mane. Great. It's very annoying. I just want Ronaldo. Please give me Ronaldo. On to the last 3 packs here, guys. Or no, 2 packs. So the pack after this is going to be the last one. Come on. Last pack. Oh no, we can get one more. And this is a walkout. Come on. French. Oh, it's Kante. Yeah, I've got him. That's pretty good. But, it's pretty good. Last pack. Great. Absolutely great. So, guys, I'm just going to do a quick draft just to end the video. You know, just because it's fun. Bottom DBC. Icon players, min 1. Great. I need an icon, realistically. Come on. Where are these icons? So guys, my dad's about to come in, hold on. Come on guys, we really need good players here. Oh yes, there's the icon. Let's go. Come on, we need players. Give us high-rated players. Kyle Walker gets a green link. But, let's see what we can do now. Sancho from another league. We could actually get full come off this, you know. 97 chem, hold on. I can get it. Just looking on what else could I do. Let's get full cam. But I really need a new centre back. It gives me an icon Zola. Don't know if that's helpful or not. But actually, that probably gets us full chem if you think about it. Look, 99 chem. That'll do. There we go. Well done, guys. There's the DBC done. We just need full chem now. Come on. Come on. Nope. How do we get 1 chem? What about if I do this? Oh. Poop. What about if I put in... We really need, like, good players. How do I get 1 more chem? It's just so annoying. Guys, so we're just going to play the draft now, because we're running out of time. Come on. We're playing a person that's 9th. We have to win. Come on. Scoring chance. Shooting. Yes, let's go. We scored. It's 1-0 to me. Come on, Benzema. Score. Yes, 75%. And we score. Let's go. Let's go. We're thrashing them. I think I'm gonna leave Benzema on. We're thrashing this guy right now. Club bruiser unable to clear. Walker gets his head to a corner. Oh. We're close. Come on, we can score one more. Oh, I'm lucky. And there we go. That's full time, guys. And that is where I'm going to end the video. Unless we get a gold elite pack, I'm going to open it. No, we get 2 tokens instead. Oh! Guys! Are you sick? Let's go and open the rewards for that. We just got a ton. Let's open the elite pick. These are like the best picks. I think. These are like the best picks you can get. Yes, a scream! Oh! I'm going to take a scream because they're harder to pack. And let's just open these special packs. Just to end the video. Wants to what in there as well. I really want to pack a scream. I don't want to like get one in a pick. I want to pack one. We've only got 2. And they're both from picks. Which is annoying. But come on. Where's the icon at? Where is he? Where's the icon? Where is it? The icon's not here apparently. Nope, no icons today. Sad life. And I'm going to open some gold elite packs to end it. Next time I get a walkout, I'm ending the video on it. Unless we don't get a walkout. This is annoying. Come on, give me a walkout, please. Please, Shiny Gem. Give me a walkout. End it on a Ronaldo. That'd be good. Last 2 packs. Last pack. No walkout. What is that? So guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye. Like and subscribe.